नाज़रीन मैं अपने दोस्त के घर आ चुका हूँ, रोज़ा खुलने का टाइम है, वो फ़ोन ही नहीं उठा रहा। तो देखते हैं, वो फ़ोन ही नहीं उठा रहा। मैं अपने दोस्त के घर आ चुका हूँ, चले देखते हैं कितना इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा उसका। माय फ्रेंड
You're late. I will take a picture for sure. This is actually
because he dropped me here because you know what happened, the flight become very late. I just arrived.
It's already finished the show. That's why
I arrived in hotel 4 o'clock. The flight was very late.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, where's your belonging?
I put in hotel. I just bring camera and another camera. That's all.
You don't go to.
No, later I will go.
Oh. Okay,
so I'm with my friend. Finally, I found my friend. What is the area name?
Yayasan Kuntum Teratai is Bukit Duri.
Oh, so yeah. So I'm just with my friend.
Hello.
Hello. So now is the fasting opening time. I was a little bit late, so I missed the show, but it's okay. Still, I'm with my friend. So yeah, let's keep walking.
Yes. You want to take a picture there?
I'm sorry I'm late.
From Hong Kong.
Yeah.
This is my wife.
She's coming with us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Is that your friend?
Yeah. Hong Kong directly. This is Nona.
Oh, okay, nice to
I'm
meet
sorry
you.
for being late.
Oh, it's okay.
This is Tika. This is the lengua. The mother. This is children. This is Smith dari Hong Kong, teman aku telat pesawat. Itu mau ada yang mau di videoin atau apa? Enggak.
Mau buka puasa.
Mau buka puasa kita itu.
Ya, kirain saya bareng-bareng ibu.
Tadinya mau bareng-bareng, cuma kayaknya takut hujan apa gitu. Mau kita foto bareng. Gimana sih?
Hai.
Hello.
Oh, ayo juga.
How are you? How are you?
Oh, ayo.
How are you?
I'm fine. Gitu dong.
Thank you.
These are the water. Okay, so I'm late, so I have to go with my friend. So yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.